this is Scott with Team Houdini and ScareFactor.com. We are outside of Eerie Acres in Butler, PA. About to go through, see what they got. Talked to the owner. They said they have some new scenes. It has been 2 years since we were last here, so we're excited to see what's going on. Seems like a fairly busy night. We can hear chainsaws in the distance. There's a fire back there. The ticket booth is ready. We're ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right. Oh, okay.
Watch out for the snake.
Snake. Oh, maybe this is the snake.
How dare you cross my bridge? This is a voodoo curse.
Curses! You feeling lucky? Hold out your hand. Cursed rock. The only way to remove the curse is to give it to someone else.
Hey, dude, you want your rock?
Nobody wants.
If you lose it, the curse is eternal.
Trying to give me a curse.
Because I want to hit the Powerball tonight.
Wrong way!
Wrong way.
Wrong way! You're gonna let him lead? You're gonna let him lead? How do you feel safe? It just gets worse from here.
Nightmare on Elm Street. Everybody's in the theater.
It's hard to tell which ones are real. This makes me want to watch more horror movies. I still haven't watched any this season.
I haven't either. Man, that's so dark.
You're cursed!
Hansel and
You're
Gretel.
cursed!
Hansel
What?
Hansel
and
and Gretel.
All right, Hansel.
Welcome to Hansel and Gretel. Can you help me find my kids? I don't know where they are. I don't know.
I don't know
I've
either.
been looking for them for 3 days now. Maybe 4. They might be in the house. I'm not very sure. But Hansel and Gretel are my kids. I can't find them here or there.
If you take this, that'll help you
I
find
will
them.
take the curse rock.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
alright. We have no children. You have no
Hansel
children.
and Gretel.
But it's alright.
Can't find them anywhere.
I
Either
told
here
you
or
100
there.
times they've already been eaten.
Oh, that's right.
Yes.
My memory's not like it used to
Oh,
be.
yeah, the autumn's
Oh,
They
going.
have been eaten. It's
My
alright.
memory. Yeah.
Ooh.
We really do.
Oh, I tell
Oh,
you.
man.
Look at that smoothie.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
oh, I love that smoothie.
I actually work at a smoothie place. I think
I drink that
It's
every
fantastic.
now
It's
and then.
fantastic.
There's a little bit of mold on there,
A
but
little
it's
bit. Makes it gives it flavor.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
That's
Pen-
exactly-
Oh,
penicillin.
yeah.
That's right. You make it right. That's a big
Hold on.
Unless you don't want to. Then you don't have to, but unfortunately.
She's still talking.
Okay. Oh my god.
He just blended right in.
Wow. Yeah. That's a cool costume.
I was waiting for something to pop out. Red over here.
Keeps going.
Stop on my walls.
Help me! Help me! You gotta get me out of here!
Is that a straight jacket?
I've been locked here for years. You gotta get me out of here! They're crazy! They're gonna kill me! They've already killed my friends! They're insane!
Looks like they already got your friends.
They've already killed them! They're gonna kill me
Step right up, everybody! But be warned, you may never be able to step back down.
Okay.
All right, follow the lefts.
Alright, Scott, you gotta climb these.
I gotta.
Hello. How's it going?
Oh, Sean, it's a beautiful night, isn't it?
It is.
You guys hear that noise?
What noise?
It sounds like that. Do you hear that?
Yeah, the car.
I think it's coming from right.
Right?
Somewhere in here. Can you guys look for me somewhere in there?
Yeah, take a look.
I think so.
Might be. This is my pal Tyson. Check it out. I taught him how to talk.
Okay. Just sit around there choking your chicken all night.
Stroking that chicken.
Yeah.
My mom always told me I'd go blind, but hey.
That's the emergency exit. Mark trying to escape.
I can't read.
You're too scared, man.
He's like, there's a guy choking his chicken. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
I should have. You know, that was a great job.
What are you doing here? Are you here for the pig roast?
Yes.
All right, come on then.
Pig. I want ribs.
No. Times
Yes.
are tough.
Oh.
Sorry, but no one can eat at the pig roast for free. If you want some pig, you have to work for it.
That's not a pig.
Oh, it is. It tastes like corn. I'm telling you, human flesh. Help me! It's so much
That's
better,
my
though.
friend. She drank too much tequila.
Ignore
She
that.
drank too much
Ignore
tequila.
that. Ignore that pig. Come on, don't step in that pig. Anyway, someone has to spin the pig.
I mean,
Who's gonna help me spin the pig?
I'll still have some.
All right, spin the pig. I need someone. One of you guys has to spin it.
Spin it. Good, Mark. Or D, spin it.
Rolling. Yeah, rolling.
Rolling.
All right, you earned your meal. Come on, back to me now. What you want? Let's see how we go on the grill. Look, I got a heart, some liver. I got some pig's feet. I got some finger food.
Finger looking good.
Yeah, what you want?
I'm okay with anything.
You sure? I was only playing with you guys anyway. I like to play with my feet, as you can see. I'll be playing with you later. I'm gonna give you a head start to make it more fun.
All right.
Because food always tastes better when you hunt.
Help me! You want to help me over there? Help me! I'll come drink tequila with you!
Okay.
Get me out of here!
Dr.
I haven't had tequila in a while.
Get me out!
I haven't.
Give me some bacon, Dr. Wisdom.
The doctor will see you now!
All right, thank you.
Don't forget to smile!
Just like this.
All right.
What do you say? A couple teeth for old Dr. Wisdom.
Okay. I don't know. I don't like the
how many?
Dennis that much.
Oh.
Ooh.
That's, yeah.
Looks like she needs some work done on her teeth.
I think she might
Hey,
have
put those teeth in there!
Yeah.
How dare you! Work on her teeth! What do you think I've been doing?
Oh.
Someone had a bad time.
That's nasty. I just. All right, in the cornfield. As you can see, corn. Whoa! She'd like my cologne. Hi, karate.
Run! Go! Get out!
Run before she gets you!
I can't run, I'm fat. And my knees. I got bad knees.
Got bad joints, got a bad back.
I hear something in here.
Do you hear
I
something?
think it's Jason.
It is Jason.
gas, $0 a gallon. I wish.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
hi.
Called for the tow truck here.
He's
there,
up the,
back
right
there.
up the road.
He couldn't have been him. He already got all his toes.
The tow truck. I get it. And it disappears.
Your middle's like a good little piggy.
No, please help
your
me get
food,
rid of
woman.
you. Come on.
We gotta fatten you up. You gotta be ready for the Thanksgiving dinner. Come on, get back here.
Come on, help me.
You ain't
please.
going nowhere but the
Please,
stove
let me
top.
go.
Come on now.
Take me with you.
Unless one of you fine folks want to take your place.
I'm okay.
You don't want to stick around for some finger food? This is all I have on hand. Sorry.
Whoa!
Lost my hand. I've lost my hand. I've lost my hand. No, I don't lose the hand. Don't lose it. And did you? Oh, you're dirty. Oh,
That's okay.
future.
Are you here for me, or I'm
just talking about.
all fresh out of that?
I think, yeah.
I know it was you. No, not you.
Oh, it's him.
I know it was him.
Yes.
I told you couldn't trust him.
Yes.
And he's
why-
a bottomless pit.
That's why his head's on my sword.
Wow.
Oh, goodbye.
Goodbye. Good riddance. You're going your other way.
So you do know where the merchant is?
You can't trust him.
Yes. Oh, I'll find him.
I already found the merchant. He's sitting right there. That's the one you were not supposed to kill this time.
My bad.
How are we gonna get rum if you kill him?
I took a trip with that guy and
I think I had a little bit too much to drink.
that's what happened though. I got the green goo left, but that guy drank it over there and you see where he's at. Oh, not you! I give up with these sailors. What can you do? You can't find good help nowadays. Everybody wants something for nothing. That's the toxic sludge. You've got like 2 weeks left now.
Mark's just like, I'm out. He's like, I want none of that. Because she was a nun.
We're in the cemetery.
Welcome!
Oh, thank you.
Man, I'm so glad to see you guys. I love when sinners come through my cemetery.
Why would we be sinners?
Oh, I know that's not true. You can't tell me you've never sinned once in your life. No. Unfortunately, here we don't forgive sinners. We just punish them. That's what I'm here for.
That's a,
Church is back that way. I don't know. He looks pretty tall.
yeah.
He's high. He's taller than 12 foot.
Yeah, he's like 14 foot.
He's like 18.
He's like the
Trespasser! In my cornfield! Get him out! Get him out! Get him out! Out of our field! Get him out! Get him out! Trespassers!
bam, bam.
Slicker!
I'm not sure I like that music.
Welcome, friends. Are you here to join us for our sacrifice?
Sure.
Step right up.
We're always up for a good sacrifice.
You're my kind of people.
Cooking something. Smells bad.
Smells bad. It's gotta cleanse the energy.
Alright.
Our sister here caught us a rat this morning.
Oh, yummy. That looks delicious.
It's our sacrifice. Unless one of you would like to be our next.
Yeah, sure.
No, we're good.
You don't want to
I
be our
think we sacrificed the guy in the front.
There's the guy in the front.
We like big funny babies.
Yes. Yes. They have more meat.
Good luck with that.
First night.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Looks like they're cutting down trees or something.
There's a lot of lumberjacks out here.
A lot of lumberjacks out here.
Well, I guess they had to make this pallet base. You cut down a lot of trees.
That doesn't sound good.
Nope, he needs to fill it up with gas.
I'm filled up with gas.
We know that. We going the right way?
I don't know.
Me neither.
You guys shouldn't follow me. I think I went out the emergency exit too many times. I don't know if this is right.
Yeah, that's your right.
That's my left.
No, that's your left.
I think this is wrong.
You guys are going the wrong way.
There's your emergency mark.
That's how we get out.
Oh wait, that's a dead end?
Yeah.
All right.
Follow D.
Follow D.
He's better at this.
All right, he's taller though.
We're gonna get ourselves killed.
I have to make my rod bigger.
I'm not sure.
Walking too well.
D's better at this.
Wait, ain't this where we just were?
Just follow me.
I just snagged my damn coat.
Definitely ain't going the wrong way. That's a dead end.
I think we turned
sorry.
around.
All right, back to following Mark.
I'm gonna try.
I did that on purpose so that way you can have.
I don't know if this is right.
I don't know if either way's the right way.
He got me again. He keeps getting me. I don't like chainsaws. Okay.
I think we're. This is Scott and Mark and DeAndre, and we are outside of Eerie Acres here in Butler, PA. We just finished Eerie Acres. Had a great time, some great interaction, some good scares. Hey, Mark, anything you guys want to say?
Good hunt.
Good on.
Yeah, I would say a lot of good dialogue as well. You know, on the spot kind of interactions. You know, it turned out good.
Stay spooky. Don't forget, check us out at thescarefactor.com.